soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off. Get back in the saddle. You're on the front line. Everyone's watching. You know it's on. We're getting closer. This isn't over. The pressure's on.
We have with us Mr. Gilroy Fernandez, all the way from Sholem, one of the prime organizers for today's Sholem Cup. First one, what's the aim of this tournament, especially the Sholkarts Cup being held today?
Well, we want to get the glory days of FC Sholem in Dubai especially back up and running, and simultaneously back home as well.
Yeah, there are a lot of Sholkars in Dubai as well as all across the globe. Why is Sholem considered as one of the footballing villages of Goa?
Simple, just like every other Goan, we've got passion, it's in our blood. We had it, we have it, and we'll always have it. Football will always be there.
Yeah, any message to all the Sholkars all across the globe?
Well, guys, it's time we get united, bring back FC Sholem glory days, get the name back, get our village Sholem up and running.
Yeah, thank you, Gilroy.
Thank you.
Cause this